Welcome to Ravyn, our lightning-fast sales tool for capturing insights and engaging your contacts to unlock more revenue. In this video, we're going to show you how you can quickly add individual insights for a contact. To start, hit Option I on your keyboard from anywhere in our platform. Now, type in the name of your contact. If the person doesn't exist, our platform will create a new profile while you're adding insights. This is one of the many ways Ravyn saves you valuable time. Start adding in your insights, separating each one using commas. In this example, I know Ben loves to golf, graduated from Harvard, is allergic to shellfish, and was referred to me by Nadine. Once you're done, hit return, and the list of insights will appear below. This is where you can quickly categorize them by clicking the buttons for each category. Once you're done with your selection, hit return, and all of your insights will be listed on your contact's top insights. From here, you can drag and reorder insights based on importance or whatever makes sense to your own workflow. As a reminder, the fastest way to use Ravyn is with our command center. Hit Option K on your keyboard to launch it. You can do this from anywhere in our app and quickly access most of Ravyn's features and view their shortcut keys. Now that you're capturing insights, let's put them to work. Watch our engagement tutorial to learn how you can blow your client's mind by sending a Ravyn. With conversion rates this high, it feels like magic.